Welcome to our comparison of two leading DDR5 RAM kits, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB and the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB. Both offer impressive specifications, but they cater to different preferences and needs. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to latency, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB RAM boasts a lower CL30 rating, which can lead to slightly better performance in certain applications compared to the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RAM, which has a CL36 rating. This difference can impact tasks that require quick data access, making the TEAMGROUP a better choice for those who prioritize speed. In terms of RGB lighting, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB offers basic RGB control, while the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB takes it a step further with its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, which can be customized using the ICUE software. This allows for more intricate lighting effects and synchronization with other CORSAIR components, making it a preferable option for users who enjoy customizing their setups. Price is always a significant factor when choosing components. The TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB RAM is priced at $149, making it a more affordable option compared to the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RAM, which retails for $124. While the price difference is not vast, it may influence budget-conscious buyers who are looking for high-performance RAM without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB and the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM kits offer excellent performance and features. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences, whether you prioritize lower latency, advanced RGB control, or price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.